get to know your dogs.
Goodness. I got her all kinds of toys. Now in the book they say, you know, puppy safe toys, and I'm going up and down the aisle going, what does that mean? So we had to call the lady over.
But your grandmama bought you lots of Papa safe toys. Yes, we.
These guys are extremely playful puppies.
They are.
Much more than the last group. Yeah. They seem more mature and they seem more playful. So.
Did you have some sharp teeth?
So it's funny, yeah, every litter seems to have its own personality. Patience, easy, sweetheart.
This is Patience.
One morning I had the food bowl sitting about right here, and they were finishing up their food, and I was walking